Hey guys, so I want to show you how I create a product mock-up from within Cricut Design Space. So we're obviously in Cricut Design Space here. Let's start a new project. Alright, from here we want to go and we want to upload a picture. The picture will be for our mock-up. So I'm going to go and browse from within my computer folders, and I'm just going to try and find anything. Okay, so let's use this pink t-shirt. That would be a good background. And we like the picture just the way it is. We're not going to really be making any changes to it. So I'm going to select simple here for the type of image that it is. Okay, and then we'll click continue. And the next screen will show you the image again, but it's kind of distorted, but don't worry about it because we're not going to do anything to it. We're going to hit continue again. Now in the next screen you'll see the image on this side, and we're really just dealing with the print look of the image, not the cut image. So we're going to leave it with the green surrounding that, and I'm just going to give it some tags here. So pink tea, let's see, mock-up, adult, unisex. Just some keyword tags so I can find it again when I need to use it for another mock-up. So we'll hit save. And then as you can see, the image is now uploaded. So I'm going to select it and I'm going to insert it into our new project. So it'll take a minute for it to upload, but in a second you'll see that there it is, our picture. So we're going to use this as a mock-up for a project that we want to work on. And I'm just going to go and pick a random image here, something in Design Space, just so I can show you how it works. Let's see. Let's use the Cricut. Okay, we're going to insert the image. And it's black, so it shows it really well. So here I can play with it. I can make it smaller, put it on the move it around, or I can make it bigger so it takes up most of the t-shirt. Okay, so once I do that, I select it all so I can group it so it won't move around. And then here's something here that I thought was really cool. When you're in Design Space, if you're on the grid, you can go to this square here and it will change the grid to either a larger grid, or if you click it another time, it will remove the grid. So now we have a completely white backdrop, right? So that's what I like. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit print screen. That's a key on my keyboard, and we're going to go to my paint program in my computer, and we're just going to hit paste, and there's that image of our mock-up. Now I'm going to crop it. It's not cooperating with me, so let's do that one. Okay, so we're going to crop it so it remove all the other stuff and hit crop, and now we have just the mock-up. So I'm going to save it as a PNG, and I'll just save it. Let's just name it pink t-shirt, t-shirt image, Cricut, okay, and we'll save it. And so now if I was to go into my folder, I can find this image where did I put it? Okay, I put it there, and we'll look at pink, and there it is. So there's our pink t-shirt mock-up. So from here I can just upload it into Canva and do whatever I need to do. If I want to just add my logo, or if I want to add some details or some graphics around the t-shirt, but really I already have a graphic of a mock-up of my project. So I hope that helps, and I hope you find some use for that, especially if you sell your Cricut creations. And yeah, thanks guys.